Analyzing your notification data is a vital part of boosting your organization's resilience. You can review this data through the Notification Details page, and more specifically through the Delivery Details subtab. To get to the Notification Details page, we need to start on the Active History page. The Active History page is shown immediately after sending a notification. Once on the Active History page, you can click any notification title to look at how it performed. The Details page provides valuable information on how the individual notification was delivered, including the settings, contacts, and delivery methods. You can take actions on your notification, such as stopping its broadcast, rebroadcasting the notification, or sending a follow-up notification. You can also view the results of the notification and view who confirmed receiving it. Let's review the delivery details to see how this notification performed. Starting from the top of the Notification Details page, you can see the notification's title, its ID, as well as its status. This information can be viewed for both active and inactive notifications. Next to the notification title are two icons. The bar graph icon displays the quick report in a new web browser tab. The arrow icon bundles and downloads all the notification data in a zip file. Below, we get into the specifics. A graph will display the status of your notification, meaning how many ways your contacts confirmed that they received your message versus those who are potentially unreachable. By clicking the Methods subtab, you can view a graph and the delivery methods used to reach those contacts and how successful each method was. To get a closer look at your delivery method's success rates, you can view additional information under the Delivery Details subtab. Scroll down and click this tab. From here, you can see data from each contact selected to receive the notification. Looking at this row, we can see the person confirmed that they received the notification through text message. This was the first attempt to reach them, and their confirmation time is logged here as well. Next to the contacts row, there is a plus sign. Click this to see even more information regarding the contact's delivery methods. In this example, we can see the order of the methods that were used to reach the contact. The call result column shows us that the contact confirmed receiving this notification via text, which was the first contact method used. We can also see the notification was sent to the contact's personal and professional email addresses. This information can be useful if you need to review a specific contact's delivery details to understand why they are not receiving your message. By expanding this row, you can see if the delivery methods are correct, such as a person's cell phone number or personal email address. You can also see if errors cause problems for specific delivery methods under the Call Result column. In this example, it appears that the contact's personal phone number is also listed as their office phone. Under the Call Result column, you can see that the notification was not delivered via office phone because of the duplication. Using the Delivery Details subtab is a great way to troubleshoot if your organization is having difficulty reaching specific people or when using specific delivery methods. For more detailed information on the Notification Details page or how to use reporting in Everbridge Suite, check out our course Assessing Delivered Notifications in Everbridge University. Thanks for watching.